Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Today, we embark on a journey to one of the planet's most extraordinary wonders, a place woven from the threads of both science and legend, the Dead Sea. Nestled between Israel and Jordan, the Dead Sea's dramatic expanse shimmers under the Middle Eastern sun, its cobalt waters hugging the arid landscapes of the Jordan Rift Valley. From the air, the panorama is breathtaking. Vast salt flats gleam like snow, rugged mountains cast long shadows, and the water itself glows an uncanny blue. For centuries, this enigmatic lake has fascinated explorers, scientists, and travelers alike, whispering secrets of the Earth's ancient past and inviting us to unravel its mysteries. But what makes the Dead Sea truly unique? To understand its story, we must first journey millions of years into the past, to a time when the Earth's crust was restless. The Dead Sea sits at the lowest point on the Earth's surface, at more than 430 meters below sea level. This geological marvel is part of the Great Rift Valley, a fracture in the Earth stretching from Syria all the way to Mozambique. The valley was formed by tectonic forces pulling the Arabian and African plates apart, causing the land to sink dramatically and creating a basin that, over millennia, filled with water. Unlike most lakes, the Dead Sea is actually a hypersaline endorheic lake, meaning it has no outlet to the ocean. Its waters fed primarily by the Jordan River, but intense evaporation under the relentless desert sun far exceeds any inflow. This process concentrates minerals, resulting in a salinity over 10 times higher than that of ordinary seawater. The salt content is so extreme that no fish or aquatic plants can survive in its depths, hence the name Dead Sea. Yet, paradoxically, this lake teems with microscopic life. Special halophilic bacteria and archaea have evolved to thrive in these harsh conditions, forming part of a hidden ecosystem that reminds us of nature's resilience. The landscape surrounding the Dead Sea is as diverse as its waters. Ancient volcanoes once rumbled in the region, shaping the rugged mountains and craggy cliffs that now rise abruptly from the valley floor. Dramatic gorges, carved by flash floods, slice through the terrain, while natural salt formations, pillars, crusts, and even caves dot the shoreline. In the north, the Engedi Oasis offers a lush contrast where freshwater springs nurture rare plants and animals amid the desert. To the west, the imposing plateau of Masada stands as a silent sentinel, bearing witness to centuries of human history and drama. The Dead Sea's formation continues today. Seasonal rains occasionally swell the Jordan River and nearby wadis, but evaporation is relentless. Over recent decades, human activity has further altered the landscape. Water diversion and mineral extraction have caused the lake's water level to drop, exposing vast salt flats and triggering the formation of sinkholes, sudden collapses in the ground where underground salt dissolves away. These phenomena are dramatic reminders of the fragile balance between natural forces and human intervention. But the Dead Sea is not only an object of scientific inquiry, it's also a destination for adventure. Travelers from around the world come to experience its otherworldly beauty and unique sensations. Imagine stepping onto the shimmering shore, the air heavy with the scent of minerals, and dipping your feet into waters so buoyant you float effortlessly atop the surface. Swimming here is unlike anywhere else. The density of the water lifts you up, making it nearly impossible to sink. Many visitors delight in covering themselves with mineral-rich mud, believed for centuries to have therapeutic properties for skin and joints. For those seeking exploration beyond the water, the surrounding region offers a wealth of experiences. Hiking enthusiasts can trek the trails of Ein Gedi Nature Reserve, where waterfalls pour into lush canyons and ibexes nimbly traverse the cliffs. The ancient fortress of Masada invites visitors to climb or take a cable car to its summit, where sweeping views reveal the stark beauty of the desert and the glimmering expanse of the Dead Sea below. Campers can set up tents along the shoreline, watching as the sun dips behind the Moab Mountains, painting the sky with hues of gold, crimson, and indigo. Cultural discovery is woven into every journey here. The Dead Sea region is steeped in history. From biblical tales to Roman ruins and Bedouin traditions, local guides share stories passed down through generations, offering windows into the lives of those who have called this harsh but beautiful land home. In nearby villages, markets brim with colorful produce, fragrant spices, and handmade crafts. Visitors can sample traditional dishes like mansef, a savory lamb stew served with rice and yogurt, or enjoy sweet dates and herbal teas as they listen to musicians playing ancient melodies. Ecologically, the Dead Sea is a microcosm of adaptation and survival. While its saline waters prohibit most life, the surrounding habitats support a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. In the oases, clusters of acacia and tamarisk trees provide shade for migratory birds, while rare species of fish inhabit the freshwater springs. The cliffs and caves shelter hyraxes, foxes, and even the elusive Nubian ibex. Botanists marvel at salt-tolerant plants that cling to exposed flats, their roots extracting precious water from the mineral-rich soil. For those passionate about science and nature, the Dead Sea offers endless opportunities for discovery. Geologists study its layers to decode the Earth's history, while biologists probe the secrets of its extreme life forms. Environmentalists work to protect its fragile ecosystem, exploring ways to restore water levels and balance human needs with conservation. Each visit is a chance to witness the dynamic interplay of land, water, and life, a living laboratory where nature's forces are both ancient and ever-evolving. As our journey draws to a close, the magic of the Dead Sea lingers. Its silent shores, shimmering under the vast expanse of sky, remind us of the power and mystery of the natural world. Here, science meets adventure in every ripple, every sun-bleached stone, every echo of history. Whether you come seeking relaxation, exploration, or understanding, the Dead Sea welcomes you with open arms and endless secrets. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Dead Sea, a place where nature's wonders and scientific marvels unite. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Together, let's continue to uncover the astonishing stories that our world has to offer. The next adventure awaits.